Welcome back to Spartan Cards 300. We're opening up 2021-22 Parkhurst. In this box, there are 10 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, and we're looking for prominent prospects. Rust, Smith,
Marshall Salt, Pekka Luukkonen. We got a Giroux, Silver Jordan Bennington, Sharadgovic, Yamamoto, Grease, and Palavinen.
Saros, Larson, Nurse, Kubalik, Ice in the Veins, Elias Pettersson.
Oh, that's a nice card.
I like it. Yossi, Eckel, Lindholm, Jones, and Clefbaum.
Kapanen, Monahan, Maroon. Nice. Prominent prospect, Taylor Radish. That's a nice card. Rookie of Cider, Barkov, Niederreiter, Dylan Strome, Zuccarello, and Carlson.
What do you think about these cards so far?
You know what? They're pretty nice. I mean, they're plain, but they're good.
Tixier, Uyghur, Ellers, Gold Alexander Ramanov, Rookie of Adam Ruzicka, Landeskog, Nelson, Kane, Shen, and Keller.
So what do you think so far about these cards?
They're not bad. I find they're a little bit more plain than the other packs that we've opened.
Yeah, but you know what? They're okay. They're nice.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Yost, Clavari, Kadri, Wheeler. Oh, Parkhurst Thomas Hurdle. Nice. That's a nice and shiny one.
Mm-hmm.
Spencer Knight rookie. McDavid. Couturier. Olofsson. And Sorelli.
Slavin, Barry, Hurdle, Domi. Ooh, prominent prospect, Spencer Knight. Rookie of Kapari, O'Reilly, Pellich, Ekholm, and De Kaiser.
Stevenson. Jenner. Lowry. Kemp. Stamkos. Rookie of Samuelson. Kachek. Kaneki. Hall. And Lekanen.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, we're starting off this pack with Anderson. Backlund. Jernov. Parkhurst, Maxim, Comtus. Panarin. Rookie of Tanner Lazinski. Hartman. LeBlanc. Labuskin. And Comfer.
Myers. Druin. Beddington. Kaku. Oh, we got a prominent prospect, Alex Newhook. That's a nice shiny one. Rantanen. Rookie of Philip Tomasino. Ponk. Petrie. And Kirby Datch.
Okay, we're starting off now with Nekus, Hagel, Norris, Zadina. Oh, silver rookie of Ivan Prosvetov. Tafuli. Okay, rookie of Jesse Ilonen. Talbot. Henry. And Lane.
Thomas. Pulak. Wilson. Parkhurst of Boone Jenner. Nice card. I like the shiny ones. Fiala. Price. Strome. Couture. Shattenkirk. And Pest.
Okay, our last pack, we have Smith. Another Smith, Riley Smith. Bouvillier. Prominent prospect of Ross Colton. Rookie of Cole Caulfield. We have Fox and Miller. Paul. Cousins. And Shabbat. Here's our top pulls. Let us know what you think about Parkhurst. Thank you for watching, and again, like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell a friend.
And tell them to tell another friend.
Who's going to tell their friend.
And one more friend.
And that friend should tell a friend.